Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your home location and your work location so that you have easy access when you want to quickly go into Google Maps and find the directions to either your home or your work. So if this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. It really helps me out. And we can see I'm on my phone right here. What you can do is go up to the top right where there's a profile picture. It's the blue picture with the thumbs up for my channel. Go in there, and then down near the bottom there's the settings page with the gear icon. Click in there, and then right down to the bottom you can find the account settings, and then it says edit home or work, and then from there you can go into the first one, home. Press the three buttons on the right hand side, and then that's going to give you the option to actually edit your home location. And you can go in here and you can either enter your home address, type in your postcode or your street number, or you can actually choose on the map. And I'm going to do that right here. And then we can go all the way and actually choose on the map specifically. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to say my home location is Carricknow golf course, and then press OK at the bottom. And that will input that location as your address. So your home is set, the dropped pin near Edinburgh, and then basically you can press done from there. And then from there, if you wanted to set your work address, what you could do is press into work, set once and go. And then again, instead of typing it in, you can just do that and then press done. I'm going to go to choose on map, and let's just say our work address is down in Penrith. It's the Sainsbury's right here. We can press OK. And that will input that location as your work address. Press done. And now we have two locations, our home and work address, enabled on Google Maps. What we can do for easy access in the future, back out of here, and then up at the top left, you can see the home button. If you press that, that will find for you the quickest route from your current location to your home location, and then you can go on your way. But then from there, let's just say that you wanted to find your location for work. You wanted to find easy access on traveling to your work address. What you could do from here, the second field down that says home, click in there, and then it gives you the option to either press home again or work. Go to the second option, press into the work section, and then that is going to give you the quickest, easiest access, or the route from your current location to your work location that has been previously saved on your Google Maps account. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks.